Hey, Scott here, Rolling Country Outdoors. Thanks for coming back and joining us. I appreciate it. Today I'm out here working on this drain for the pit in the crawl space. So this is where it's coming out, and I thought I was going to have to dig all the way over to this other drain that's over here, but there is a gutter drain right here that probably dumps into that big drain. So that's all I was having to dig to, so that was good. I got to move the paver there and dig down, so we'll come out of the wall, go down, and then over into this drain here. So that's what I'm working on. This is again that pit that we put in the log cabin crawl space, and so we're getting it put into the ground now. So just working off the list, our project list for 2026. So here we go. Hang tight. So I'm just digging the rest of this out up to the house there. What I'm doing, so I can get that pipe. It's a drain pipe right there.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah, I'm sure it's from the gutters, so I didn't have to go all the way out there.
Sweet.
Yeah. So
that's not the one you had hit though, is it? That's probably coming off of this gutter right here.
Yeah, it goes to that gutter and then picks up this gutter over here. So it's going that way and then probably going down to the big gutter.
Well, isn't there two? I thought going out to the back side of the dam, you know?
Okay. I'm just gonna see if I can find some angles, 9-degree angles, this pipe, and I'll be back. So what I think I'm gonna do here is cut the pipe here and then just allow that pipe to go into this pipe to drain it down here. That way you can take it apart if you needed to clean it out at some point. So yeah, I think I will.
Where do you want me to hold it?
Just right here.
Out here?
I'm gonna cut it about right here.
Is that long enough?
I think so, yeah, because that pipe will fit in there. So.
Oh, that squeegee?
Let me go this way a little bit.
I said, I'd rather have you longer than shorter, just in case. Woo.
Perfect.
That's your new blade, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a lot better than the other one.
Alright, let's see if this will go in here.
Uh-oh.
Don't want that in there.
Probably not.
Perfect. Perfect. That'll work. Okay,
Really?
go ahead and put that in there. That's the way I had it. I just had it above the ground, so I think this will be perfect. I'll have to come down a little bit here.
I was going to say, you're too high.
But that's going to be perfect. And you can take it back apart. That's what I like.
Well, you're going to have to dig it up.
Yeah, but I mean, it's only 3 inches deep.
Take pictures.
The new owners will be interested in this.
Yeah. You should make a little, whether it's a picture thingy,
Yeah.
you know, when things are done.
Yeah, so, yeah.
Unlike the other people, didn't leave us nothing except for the swimming pool. So we were kind of clueless on where everything was.
Yeah.
And I have the photos.
Perfect. You can pull that out a little bit and it'll go, well, let me get down a little further
I was
here.
going to say. Is my rock going to be able to go back?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get it. I can put that rock back. That way everything's protected.
think I'll give that thing another coat tomorrow. That way we use it all up. Because it said the shelf life after open is 1 year.
Oh, really?
We're kind of past that. Almost 3 years past it. But it's in a covered area,
Yeah.
so it'll work.
Okay, pull that out a little bit so it'll go down some more. Just pull the black back your way just a little bit.
But what's going to prevent you from...
Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Look at
What's
that.
going to prevent you from...
We'll put rock up there around that.
I know, but what's going to prevent something going in since there's a gap?
I'm not too worried about that.
So you're going to put a little rock here?
Yeah, we'll just put a rock there. Yeah, I like that. I think that's perfect.
Oh, I think I'm going to take that. Not this paper, but the other paper we got from BJ's.
Yeah.
Put it in the lean-to where the pool pump area is.
Yeah.
Put it down, put the rock down, then if somebody needs to lift it up, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
They can lift it up to
All right,
access.
let me get some rock for up there in that corner. I think we'll get some rock here too. And then we'll just leave it and then cover it up.
So rock down there. Rock.
And there, yeah. We'll cover up the 2 seams. That'll work.
So you want this in first, don't you?
No, I want that on top of the rock.
Oh.
So we're putting rock on there to filter out any water getting in there, and for some reason it does back up, water can come back out of there. She's going to put some felt over it so no dirt gets down in there, and then we'll cover it up.
So I mean,
And just really enough to just cover the rock.
I'll use the rest for the lean-to. And I got more. If we need it. What doesn't work?
You want to take pictures? Because I'm going to cover it up.
Oh yes, hang on. Well wait, I want the rock. I want to show the rock there. Can you lift that back up? Sorry.
We're taking pictures so we can give to the next owners so they know what we did. The batteries already good?
Yeah, it was at 30.
Yeah.
Is yours?
I don't know.
So I'm gonna also go like this. Block that I had back there. Did you scoosh it over everywhere? Okay, good. 'Cause I had to go hunting for that. Since everything else was covered up. So I can start putting this over here.
I think so.
Where's my diagram so I know which piece of mud goes where? Well, make sure the one with the grass is on top. You know what I mean? Do you know how long it took me to get all this? What do you want to call it? Sloped right? Years. That was not easy.
Grass seed in here too, don't you?
Yeah, from the other day. It rained. Hopefully it'll grow.
You may have more dirt here.
You have the empty bucket, don't you? If I could get it over there. Oh, I missed. 2 inches. Not straight.
There you go.
Scoop up some of this.
Well, I need to finish filling in. It needs to be a little bit high because it'll sink in a little bit. Where's your rake at?
Do the other side's easier. Flat side. Ha! Right in my face. Bigger rocks, if you want, we can throw over there by the culvert area.
Well, it's actually been a couple of weeks since we got this finished and put in place, but I forgot to do an ending to that video. But great, you can see the grass is coming in. It's looking good. So this is where we're going to end this video. We appreciate you watching the videos, and I know this was probably a pretty short video, but anyway, it was a good check mark off the list of stuff that we need to get done in 2026, and we'll move on to whatever's next. Not sure what that's going to be yet, but we're going to get this one off the list. So the list is getting shorter. Anyway, thanks for watching Rolling Country Outdoors. Really do appreciate it, and we'll catch you next video. Take care.